Morning, guys. We are here at Lake Macintosh in Burlington, North Carolina for our Carolina Kayak Anglers event number 6, I think. It's our second to last event other than like our championship Tournament of Champions event. But I'll talk more about that if I qualify for it. Right now I am. Anyways, we're fishing that here. We're also fishing a Kayak Bass Series online event at the same time. So see what happens. I'm trying some different stuff. Didn't have any luck pre-fishing here. Looks like it's going to be tough summer fishing, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Alright guys, tough summer day as usual for me. I've just been sucking lately. No fish, lost a bunch of lures, just hot, miserable. Typical summer fishing for me. So I don't know. I mean, I don't even know if I'm gonna make a video out of this. If I catch a fish, I might, but I got no clue, guys. So I don't know what to tell you. I've tried a Carolina rig that broke off. Tried a couple drop shots. First time trying those. I like it, but broke my stuff off, got hung up. Just tied another one on, so I'm gonna go back to trying that here for a little bit. What else I thrown? Shaky head, thrown like crazy, nothing on it. So I don't know. We'll see. Bye. Made y'all fall. I got a friggin' fish. Holy crap. Come here, you. He's fighting like crazy. Stay on there. Good fish. Got some fight in him. Come here. Oh, yes. Oh, shit. Good fish, good fish. Wow. Very good fish. On the shaky head. Shaky head with a I have to ask my grandpa. I believe this color is called methylene. It's really bright, like orange. But I'll have to double check that for you guys. So I kind of ditched my game plan I had. I did not really plan on fishing this area right here. But the area I was fishing obviously won't do nothing for me. So I came over here because I have caught I've caught fish here before on this point. with a shaky head. So I'd give that a try. A little pot-bellied son of a gun. It's a good darn fish here. There we go. 18 inches. Relax there, big boy. Relax right there. No, can't really see my camera too good because of the sun, so I'm gonna check them. He put up a fight. That's a good fish. That's a good summer fish. Let's see how these look before he gets out of here, before he tears up his lip. Stop. There. Good enough pictures. I got plenty of them. It was taking them. I just couldn't really tell. So let me get you guys one more look, and I'll get him out of here. Good fish. Big old pretty 18-inch fish. Awesome. Like I said, I gave up on what I was doing. Headed over here. So coming into today, I'm not going to give away the information, because the information I got from the person I got information from didn't want me sharing that information too much, but I'll just say that it was recommended to me to use this methylene, I believe it was called, color. And lucky for me, my grandpa had some. And it worked. I used it on a different setup is how I was told to use it on a different, not how I'm using it, but I figured what the heck, I would use that here, so cool beans. I'm gonna see about picking apart this point till it's time to go. There's only about an hour left to fish for me. A little over an hour, about an hour 15 minutes. Alright guys, that's it. Just the one fish. Not that great of a get day. I looked at the leaderboard. Some guys caught fish. Some big fish were caught. But so just the one fish on the methylene, I think it's called. Don't know who makes it. Just some my grandpa had in a plain old clear bag. But it worked. I had it on a, I think it's a VMS, shaky head. But at least I caught a fish. Wasn't expecting to have a good day because I've been sucking lately and sucked here when I pre-fish, so at least I caught one decent fish. It was fun. I gotta pick it up. The Tournament of Champions, so next month is the Gate City Classic, which is, there's a whole bunch of different small lakes we can fish at. I'll have to look at the list and get all of them. And then I'll try to pre-fish as many of them as I can. I think this is one, so go ahead and say I'm not gonna come here if it is the case. We'll call this the pre-fish, and it didn't go well, so I think Randleman's one, so that's an option. I like Randleman, and then there's some smaller ones around Greensboro. So I'll try to pre-fish some of them. Get some video of that for y'all. I gotta pick it up. The Gate City Classic is also a KBF trail event, so I'll fish that. Then we have the Tournament of Champions for CKA in October. The weekend of October the 13th. I think it's a 2-day tournament we're doing for the Tournament of Champions. Top 25 qualify. I think I said that. As after the last tournament, which was Jordan, I was in 20th. So we'll have to see if I'm even gonna qualify for that. Keep slipping down the leaderboard with these sorry performances. As far as the KBS, for today, I also had just the one fish. But there was like 3 or 4 guys from North Carolina, so I don't know how. I don't expect to do good in that either, to win. But because I won one of the online event for KBS that I fished at Mayo Lake several months ago. I won North Carolina for that online tournament. So I have qualified for the KBS Classic, which is the same weekend as the CKA Tournament of Champions, October 13th weekend. So I have a decision to make. If I even qualify for the Tournament of Champions, then I'll have to decide if I want to fish that or the KBS Classic. The KBS Classic is being held at Lake Fork in Texas, so that'll be a long haul, but could be fun. Nice little road trip, so I gotta decide on that, and we'll see and let you guys know. Anyway, end of the day, thanks for tuning in. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.